Hello everyone. So yes, we all know about Jira Data Center now. Atlassian announced that Jira Data Center will be decommissioned, I guess, and they have also given us a date. The date is, I believe, March 2029. I'll probably talk about those dates separately in a proper video, but I thought I'll probably share my views on it. So I am actually very happy that now at least we have a date, and most importantly, more than a date, we know for sure what will happen to Jira Data Center. So this is something really good. Thank you, Atlassian, for doing this. We were actually waiting for that, and I know you had your reasons to not tell us a date earlier, but I think now we know for sure. And at the same time, we now have a lot of clarity. Now, of course, I talk a lot about Jira Data Center. I talk a lot about script runner, and mostly I used to say that you should still consider learning Jira Data Center and script runner. So that will of course change. I'm not really saying that you should not stop, or you should stop pursuing learning Jira Data Center or script runner. I think 3 years is still a lot of time, because many companies will of course move to Jira Cloud, but unless and until they are on cloud, they are still going to use Jira Data Center. So Jira Data Center will be there for at least the next 3 years, maybe for 4 years, because I know not all the companies will be able to do this shift in 3 years. But at least now we know that it is happening. So if you are using Jira Data Center, start acting now. I don't really want to talk about Jira Cloud, because Jira Cloud is the only option left, so there is nothing to compare it with. But I thought I'll probably also talk about two things. Number one, migration to cloud, and most importantly, supporting your existing Jira Data Center projects, your automations, your script runner scripts. So what I wanted to talk about today is, of course, we can help you with the migration, and of course, like any other company, my company Sparksys, we can also help you with the migration to Jira Cloud. And we're not only the experts of Jira Data Center to cloud migration. I mean, migration is very operational thing, right? But most importantly, if you have automations, if you have scripts, if you have processes on Jira Data Center, then we can help you redo those automations and integrations, and support your processes, redo your processes for Jira Cloud with the help of course, the capabilities on Jira Cloud, like automation rules, cloud-specific apps. But most importantly, we can help you with the Forge app development. So Forge, I've been saying this, Forge is the new script runner for Jira Cloud, and we can help you with that. We have been exploring Forge a lot. We know about, although it is limited, but we have explored almost all the possible things that are possible with Forge on Jira Cloud. And not just cloud Jira, but also other cloud applications from Atlassian, where Forge is there. But the other thing that I wanted to talk about is your existing, and no one is talking about it. So my company, Sparksys, which I run, we will support you. We will help you with business as usual. If you are planning to move to cloud, because I guess you have to now, then unless and until you are on cloud, you want to make sure that there is someone who is helping you make sure things are going smoothly, right? Your existing automations, and of course, moving to Jira Cloud will or might not be easy, but whatever you're doing on Jira Data Center, we can support you, we can help you. So reach out to me. I'm on LinkedIn. Find me on LinkedIn, or you can find the link in the description, and let me know how we can help you. If you're struggling with the Jira Data Center, your script runner scripts, because I know not many resources will be there. I think after this announcement, I don't really think anyone will be learning script runner. And people who were doing something with the script runner or Jira Data Center, they will of course immediately start doing stuff on Jira Cloud, and it is like a very clear indication to them, because for them it's a job, it's their career, which I understand. But I'm committed to support through my company Sparksys. So reach out to me. I can help you. So this is about what you can do with Jira Data Center if you're on Jira Data Center. So apart from all this, as I mentioned, I am happy because Atlassian has cleared this, but I'm also a bit sad. In fact, I'm sad as well. I mean, because I have been doing stuff on Jira Data Center. Now, not a lot of, I mean, maybe some of you, if you have been following me, if you have been watching my video, I think you know that I have been making Jira videos. Of course, I don't really say I'm one of the first, but whenever it comes to Jira Data Center, whenever it comes to Script Runner, I have this content online on my channel. But I'm sad because if I look at my 25 years of work experience, although I've been working for a bit more than 25 years, majority of those 25 years were actually on Jira. I've been doing other things, but if I talk about my company, if I talk about the work that I have been doing, for majority of my career, I have been doing stuff on Jira Data Center. I thoroughly enjoyed working on it. Not because I loved Jira. I mean, of course, Jira is a nice tool, but Jira was a perfect tool for me because I was able to provide consultation to my clients. I was able to do a lot of wonderful things, provide services, trainings, and I was able to do all this because Jira was perfect for me. And I had that experience. So I never really learned Jira because there was nothing to learn from. In fact, I have written books on Jira based on my experience, and I have helped thousands of people move to Jira or learn Jira, but I was able to adapt Jira or use Jira and also help others because I already had that experience of project management. I had that experience of using tools to support processes. So Jira was, of course, a perfect tool for me because it was easy for me to use it. It was easy for me to adapt Jira or adopt Jira for my clients, and I was able to build or switch, because I used to do Drupal consultancy, then I switched or I focused more on Jira consultancy, and I was actually making more money doing Jira consultancy than making websites on Drupal. So it was really good for me. I have so many memories doing stuff on Jira, traveling all over the world. I mean, not all over the world, but most of India and most of the UK, and I've been working with people across the globe, helping them with Jira, and it was all on Jira Data Center, and it was all because Jira Data Center was totally configurable. I remember when we started doing stuff on Jira, we used to hack it, we used to modify velocity files, we used to insert JavaScript here and there, we used to do a lot of weird things like modifying the database directly. We still do it, although we don't really talk about it a lot, but it was so much fun doing stuff on Jira. Now, of course, there is no Jira Data Center. Working on Jira Cloud is not exactly fun. It is different, but it is not the same thing, right? Because at the end of the day, you're just making REST calls and then working with stupid JSON files. I mean, I'm just saying, right? It is not the same thing. So of course I'm a bit sad as well. So I thought I'll probably share this and talk about it. That is all I wanted to talk about in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new today. Thank you very much. Bye bye.